Hi, I'm here to help you understand how to use Badda Boom Stickers. Here is some of the ways of using Badda Boom Stickers.
Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, whatever the time is in your world. I would like to talk to you today about Badda Boom stickers. I do emphasize them a lot because I do not have the ability to constantly draw on a character every day. I have situations with my hands that prevent me from holding markers and stuff or just holding things for a long period of time. And after a long time, I'm at a gig or at an event, my hands really struggle a lot. So the interesting thing, I love telling this story, is the first time I met Badda Boom Stickers was in 2015 at the Bling Bling Jam in Las Vegas. Now, I was looking at them thinking, these are just cool and I love stickers. I'm just a sticker person, grew up loving a lot of stickers and doing things with a lot of stickers. So this was really cool to see these things. And as I was looking at what she had, I decided to buy a few. And I held on to them for quite a while before I started using them because I thought they were just so beautiful. And these are examples of the larger stickers. These go on anything that's 350, a 350, or a 5-inch round or anything like that. And again, this would go on a 350 or 5-inch round or anything like that. Now we're not going to really talk about these larger ones. What we're going to talk about are the smaller ones that she sells. Some people think, oh my gosh, why would you use these smaller ones? Well, I want to talk about these ones because how many times are you doing a line work princess? Okay? Line work princesses. This is my line work princess. Have the princess face like this. Or you can have, where is it? And you could do the princess face like this. It's a bit of a tight fit for that. So I normally do is this one. Because if I use Sharpie marker, you do that. So if I use Sharpie marker, we know that it's just going to be like these big black eyes. So, they look evil. You can do that. So with Badda Boom stickers, you peel off the back end of that sticker. And I usually do it by peeling this side of it. So I'll hold it, have the face towards me, and then I will go like that. Peel it off like that. Okay, as I'm trying to make sure you guys are able to see this,
So then after you had that, after you take the back off, you're going to lay it across. You're going to lay it across here. And I just do a quick, oh, she's having a facial, da 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 da, right? And then I just take it and I'm peeling it right back off. Boom. Okay. That is the effect of a Badda Boom sticker. There is no comparison as to what you see with Badda Boom stickers and what I do when I'm drawing. Now, it's great. I'll show you the drawing part. And I won't purposely mess up, okay? I won't purposely say, this is me doing it. This is actually me doing the best I can with a Sharpie on a small 260, okay? So I'm going to grab my black Sharpie. I'm going to make sure I grab the smaller black Sharpie. I even went to the effect of buying the little fine tip Sharpies. That wasn't a good idea because I really wanted to make them look good. Okay, so this is what I used to do. So I wanted the eyebrows, you know, and see, I already screwed up. Okay. Okay, I'll do it slightly different. Now the eyes will be the same, but I screwed up on the lips. So I'm going to do the lips again the way I normally have done them in the past. There we go. It's just my hands that, okay. So you'll see the lips. Okay. So this is what the eyes, ignore that lip. This is what the lip used to. Okay, so here's what the eyes would look like when I drew it. Okay? And there's looks like a belly button now because it's so far down there. We're doing some new eyes here. Just to help you get the perspective. Okay. So either way, it still looks creepy, doesn't it? Okay, it just does. It looks creepy. Even if I tried to add a little red to the lips, you know, add a little red to the lips. And then if you do the white edging, sometimes you blop on the white edging on such a little teeny dot that you got globs of white edging. I've had that problem before. Okay. Okay. Or that. Okay, really, seriously. Okay? That is just one of the beautiful reasons why you can use Badda Boom for line work. You really can.